To help us help you, please hit the like button, subscribe and the notification bell. After you have watched this video, click the link at the top of the description below to take you to Matt's free training. Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we're going to introduce you to Matt Par, the project manager, and his splendid strategy on how you can make money on YouTube without making videos. This step-by-step guide is completely free and packed with valuable information. Transform your interests into a sustainable income by leveraging YouTube and AI. Learn the key strategies to turn your hobbies into a money-making venture on the world's largest video platform. Hello friends, my name is Xerxes. Your participation is fantastic. Among various money-making methods, none match the efficiency of using YouTube with Matt's free training, where you earn multiple times for one-time work. All content on this YouTube channel and the provided resources are intended solely for educational and informational purposes. Setting up your YouTube channel is the crucial first step to monetizing content and expanding your audience. Success depends on optimizing your channel with key elements. Introduction: transforming interests into sustainable income through YouTube and AI. Are you ready to turn your passions into profit? In today's digital age, YouTube and AI are powerful tools that can help you monetize your hobbies and interests like never before. Imagine sharing your love for cooking, gaming, or crafting with the world while earning a sustainable income. With YouTube's vast audience and AI's ability to optimize content, you can reach potential fans and customers effortlessly. This isn't just about making a few extra bucks, it's about achieving financial independence and doing what you love every day. Whether you're a seasoned creator or just starting out, the opportunities are endless. Join us as we explore how to harness these innovative platforms to transform your interests into a thriving income stream. Let's dive in and unlock your potential. Identifying your interests, pinpointing hobbies and skills for monetization. To kickstart your journey toward monetizing your passions, it's essential to engage in some self-reflection. Take a moment to think about what truly excites you, whether it's painting, gaming, or fitness. It's great to see you here. What unique skills do you possess that set you apart? Once you've identified these interests, dive into research. Explore popular niches on YouTube to see what resonates with viewers and sparks your creativity. This can provide valuable inspiration and help you understand market demand. Remember, the key to success lies in choosing interests that genuinely resonate with you and your audience. When you're passionate about your content, it shines through. It attracts viewers who share your enthusiasm. So, grab a notebook and start jotting down your ideas. Your journey to turning hobbies into income is just beginning. Creating engaging content, strategies for captivating videos. To attract viewers and keep them coming back for more, creating high-quality content is essential. Start by investing in good visuals and sound. Clear images and crisp audio significantly enhance the viewer experience. Next, incorporate storytelling techniques into your videos. Whether you're sharing a tutorial or a personal journey, weaving a narrative makes your content relatable and engaging, allowing viewers to connect with you on a deeper level. Additionally, consistency is key. Establish a regular posting schedule to build a loyal audience who knows when to expect your next video. This not only keeps your viewers engaged but also helps you stay organized and motivated. To help us help you, please hit the like button, subscribe and the notification bell. After you have watched this video, click the link at the top of the description below to take you to Matt's free training. Remember, captivating content is a blend of quality, storytelling, and consistency. Master these elements, and you'll be well on your way to growing your channel and monetizing your passions. Leveraging AI tools, enhancing content creation and audience engagement. In the ever-evolving world of content creation, AI tools can be your best ally. From video editing software like Adobe Premiere Pro's AI features to script writing assistants like Jasper. These tools streamline the creative process, making it easier to produce polished content. Don't forget about eye-catching thumbnails. AI-driven design platforms like Canva can help you create stunning visuals that attract clicks. Additionally, utilizing AI analytics tools allows you to gain insights into viewer preferences, helping you optimize your content for maximum engagement. By understanding what resonates with your audience, you can tailor your videos to meet their interests. One of the greatest advantages of AI is its ability to automate repetitive tasks, freeing up your time for more creative endeavors. Embrace these technologies to enhance your workflow and elevate your content to new heights. Monetization strategies: generating income from your YouTube content. When it comes to monetizing your YouTube content, there are several effective strategies to explore. First, consider joining the YouTube Partner Program, which allows you to earn money through ad revenue. Thanks for sharing your time with us. To be eligible, you need at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months. But don't stop there. Diversifying your income streams can significantly enhance your financial stability. Look into sponsorships, where brands pay you to promote their products, or create your own merchandise to sell to your loyal fans. Affiliate marketing is another great option. By promoting products and earning a commission on sales, you can generate passive income. By combining these strategies, you can create a robust income model that not only supports your passion but also provides financial freedom. Start exploring these avenues today and watch your earnings grow. Building a community, fostering loyalty through engagement. Engaging with your viewers is crucial for building a loyal community around your content. Start by actively responding to comments on your videos. This simple act creates a dialogue and shows your audience that you value their input. To help us help you, please hit the like button, subscribe and the notification bell. After you have watched this video, click the link at the top of the description below to take you to Matt's free training. Consider hosting live Q&A sessions, where you can interact in real time, answer questions, and deepen those connections. This not only makes your viewers feel appreciated but also allows you to understand their interests better. Additionally, focus on creating a brand that resonates with your community. Share your values, personality, and unique perspective, which will help forge a stronger bond with your audience. When viewers feel like they're part of a community, they're more likely to return, share your content, and support your journey. So, invest time in engagement. Your community will thrive, and so will your channel. Conclusion: key takeaways for your journey to income generation. In summary, leveraging YouTube and AI can transform your passions into a sustainable income stream. Remember, identifying your interests, creating engaging content, and utilizing AI tools are essential steps on this journey. Don't forget the importance of building a community through viewer engagement and diversifying your monetization strategies to enhance financial stability. As you embark on this exciting path, keep these key takeaways in mind: stay consistent, connect with your audience, and embrace innovation. If you found this information valuable, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel for more insights. Like this video, and share it with fellow creators. Explore our other content to deepen your understanding and take actionable steps toward your goals. Your journey to financial independence starts now. Let's make it happen together. Thanks for staying with us. Imagine having the funds to pursue your dreams, live in your ideal home, drive your dream car, and enjoy life with your loved ones. Watch this intro video and click the link in the description for Matt's free training to start your journey today. Free resources: in addition to paid courses, Matt Par also offers free resources and training videos, making his expertise accessible to a broader audience. Setting up your YouTube channel is the first step towards monetizing your content and reaching a wider audience. To maximize your channel's potential for success, it's essential to create and optimize it with a few key elements in mind. Financial freedom and living life on your own terms is something everyone deserves. We want to help you learn to make money on YouTube, with the potential to earn a few $100s a day as your first target. Take control of your financial future today. Matt's free training and YouTube Mastery and Monetization program can help you to get paid over and over again for work that you did once. Click the link at the top of the description below to take you to Matt's free training. Have you ever seen anybody with money, without a partner? We appreciate your interest. Great that you stuck it out. To help us help you, please hit the like button, subscribe and the notification bell. After you have watched this video, click the link in the description below to take you to Matt's free training.